have a favorite place to watch the sunrise. It's on a small hill near a river, only a few minutes' walk. In the early morning, the hill is perfumed by damp, fresh scent, and it's as if my own steps have awakened that smell. Perhaps you have a favorite place, somewhere you like to see the sun rise or set, or at nightfall, watch the stars appear. A place with scents so familiar that you often close your eyes and think of its perfume. Now, close your eyes and imagine that scent, that place. It's as special to you as my hill was to me. It wasn't something that was mine alone, but it's part of my home. It's like an old friend, and that is what I will miss the most. Yes, the sun and stars will be the same wherever I go, but it's this hill and its perfume that helps connect me to my life. Losing it changes everything. You know what I mean? Imagine that place for yourself, somewhere you've gone all your life. Now, think of never seeing it again, except in your mind, your heart. My hill, my village where I've spent my life, all those places that are special to me. And you, where's your path? The place you like to go to hear the leaves rustle as you step through them. The birds announced themselves your presence. It's hard to imagine taking leave of your places forever, but try. Imagine that the places you love will only live in your memory.
The first year, the corn shriveled in the field. The second year, it was the same. And on the third year, there was again no rain. We were helpless. We could grow nothing for the family. I had no job to buy food. There was nothing to do except to go. We left everything but what we carried on our backs and in our hearts. To survive, we left for the unknown. Others have taken such paths, and some tried to help us. Some told us where to find a safe place to sleep, and others where there was danger from bandits or soldiers. There was rain and mud and sun and thirst. We were tired, always tired, and walked every day without knowing what was next. Each day, we hoped to find someone who would help us get to the next day. We hoped to find people who see us as people, like them. We found enough of those people to get us here.
It all happened so suddenly. We grabbed what we could and ran. Imagine leaving your home that way. What do you take? A bag to stuff with a few clothes? What would you take? Toothbrush, medicine, your prescriptions? Oh God, how many bottles? How many pills left? And your eyeglasses? Can't forget those. Sunglasses a luxury, perhaps? What about paperwork? Where do you even keep the important papers? And what are the important papers? ID, birth certificates, health records, deeds, titles? It's too much to list. Grab it all. Money, debit card, jewelry, what would be useful? Go to the living room. What is irreplaceable? Photos, mementos, a musical instrument? Turn to your office, your desk. Do you take your computer, your USB drives? What about food? You go to your kitchen. What is non-perishable? What can you carry? Not everything. Is it cold out? Then take coats, gloves, boots, hats. Or is it sweltering? Do you have a water bottle? How much will be enough? Now, how to carry it all? In a suitcase? Something you must lift? Something that rolls? Now, go through what you've brought. There's too much. You can't take it all, perhaps not even what you need. You could be leaving your home forever. You must take only what you need to survive.
You knew this day would come. You've been planning for it. Tomorrow you will leave your home and never return. You will make this journey alone. There will be other people along the way, but they won't be your family, your friends, anyone you know. And the family you have left behind, you might never see again. Imagine that. Not seeing your loved ones again, talking to them in person. Maybe you can visit them through FaceTime, WhatsApp. Maybe not. Imagine your mother, father, brothers, sister, aunts, uncles, cousins. Imagine not being by their side for birthdays or marriages, illness or funerals. It would be like you don't really exist. After this journey from which you cannot return. You have been planning this day because there is no future where you are. You cannot find work, and there is no other choice. You have left all that you have ever known to go where you don't know anyone, don't even speak the language. You bring your great desire for a better life, a better tomorrow. You bring your willingness. You bring hope.
Say goodbye to the bed that holds your impression, to the sheets that keep you clean, to the blankets that warm you, to the pillow that supports your head. Say goodbye to hot water baths and showers, to soap and shampoo, to the towels that dry you, to clean hands and trimmed nails, to lotions and balms. Say goodbye to the dinnertime candles, the plates and silverware, the favorite mug, the tea and coffee, and the familiar food on your table. Say goodbye to climate control, to being warm when it's cold and cool when it's hot. Say goodbye to the glass in your windows and the screens that thwart insects, to curtains that let you be private. Say goodbye to light that comes on with a switch and to the life you have built.